Did you know that there are three sounds, just three sounds, that researchers are now saying take our brain from stress to a resting state? And a garden is one of the very few places where all three of those sounds are happening simultaneously. But sound number two, I never in a million years would have guessed the reason why sound number two is on their list. Not just why it's on the list, but the reason behind it. So for the past decade, researchers have been studying how our brain and our body reacts to certain sounds in our environment. And their findings have been more and more specific, how these sounds, natural sounds, lower our cortisol. So I want to show you the three sounds and what science actually says about how we're being affected by them. Number one, the sound of running water. Now I want to tell you this exactly. In 2021, researchers compiled a list of 36 separate studies, and what they found was a 28% reduction of stress and a 184% improvement in positive emotions. And the number one indicator was being exposed to the sound of running water. So there are several ways to add the sound of running water, and there's one for every budget. If you don't have the space for an in-ground pond or waterfall, there are freestanding fountains, there are rainchains that replace downspouts on your gutters, and there are small, cute tabletop fountains that are operated by solar, no digging, no wiring required. Number two, the sound of birds singing. So in 2022, a study in Berlin showed that people listening to birds singing through headphones for just 6 minutes, anxiety and paranoia both decreased. Another study in the same year, 1,300 people were studied over a 2-week period listening to the sound of birds singing, and their mental well-being improved on all levels for up to 8 hours. Not just 8 minutes, for up to 8 hours. So here's the most interesting fact I found out of all the studies. The researchers called this ambient safety signal. When we hear birds singing, our brain is telling our body, our physical body, that we are safe. It's a threat detection system. There are no predators in the area. When we hear a bird singing, our brain is telling our body we are safe. So here's a really fun way to level up listening to birds in your garden, or actually wherever you go. It's called the Merlin app. You just download it for free from wherever you get your other apps or your games. And I use it in the garden all the time because when I hear a bird, now I can instantly whip out my phone, open the app, it listens to the song, and it identifies it in seconds. It shows you the name of the bird, it shows you a photo of the bird, and it saves it to a library so I can see instantly all the birds that I have ever heard in my garden. And the cool thing is, because it's on your phone and you take it wherever you go, the other day I was in the drive-up line at Starbucks, and I could hear birds outside in the hedge. So I rolled down my window and I just stuck my phone out the window, opened the app, and it identified exactly what birds I was listening to in the drive-up at Starbucks. It's so much fun. So if you don't have it, I really encourage you to check it out. Number three, wind chimes. The research is not as concrete on wind chimes and a direct link to brain health, but it is implied in several different studies, so I wanted to include it. What the actual study was, the effect of listening to a Tibetan singing bowl and how it affected mood, tension, and anxiety. And that study has been cited over 200 times, and it showed significant reductions in all three. So let me show you the one that I chose for my own garden. It just arrived yesterday. I got it on Amazon. I'll link it below. And I chose it because it's tuned. It's designed by a musician, and these slots, it's tuned, so it gives that deep harmonic sound that was referenced in the studies. I absolutely love it. I just have to decide where I'm going to put it. So I got it on Amazon. There are tons of choices, but if you want one that was referenced in the study, you have to look for one that has the Philharmonic sounds, or it says the ones that are tuned. This particular one came in several different sizes. This is the largest size. If I'm only going to have a few accessories in my garden, I want them to have big impact. So I got the biggest size. You're probably not surprised that I went big. So 3 sounds: moving water, birds singing, and wind chimes, all quietly in the background, benefiting us, our mind and our body, as we enjoy our beloved hobby of gardening. I hope you'll find 1, 2, or all 3 to enjoy and add to your garden. And I especially hope that you'll come back next week when I share my study about soil and how touching the soil affects your brain and your body. I want to thank you for being here. I'm having so much fun with these studies. I love the comments that you're sending my way. I read each and every one of them. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.